Man, Biafran government have said that Biafra has not been declared, but how they are addressing Igbo yet. So Biafran government have looked onto those that are calling for that Igbo must go. They say that that's a welcome idea, that Atiku should stay away, that they should campaign, and Nigeria should call for referendum that Igbos are ready to go, that Igbos need to leave, that Nigeria does not belong to Igbos, and Igbos are not thinking about Nigeria again, that Igbos should go. That those that are calling for Igbos to go is highly welcome. So in doing so, that Igbos should get ready and get out of Nigeria, because this has been long time overdue. So those that are calling for Igbos to go actually is something that is overdue. So the Biafran government also is asking Nigerian government to pull out all Nigerian military, Nigerian whatever structure in Biafra land, that from now moment he will be taking care of everything, and also demand that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should be released immediately. So those that are calling for Igbos should go, that Igbos are ready to go, and the Nigerian government should release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and Nigerian government also should dismantle every of their structure in Igbo land. Currently the Biafran government is taking place now. So those are calling for Igbos should go, the Biafran government highly welcome that Igbos need to go. That is already overdue anyway. So the Atiku, he doesn't know what concerns Atiku there. So Atiku need to back down and let Igbos go. So those are calling for Igbos to go, they are making the right call, and they are also helping the Biafran Liberation Army to call for this Igbo must go. That he want every Nigeria to sing that Igbo must go, so that they will come on round table and everybody goes their way. The Igbos are ready already, and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should be released, and Nigerian government should start immediately pulling back their militaries and whatever they have in Biafra, they should pull it back. The Biafra Liberation Army, Biafra Navy, Biafra Air Force, and Biafra intelligence officers will take control of Biafra land. That this is the truth, and now there's no more. That Atiku should back down on whatever he's saying because of their selfish interest. They are asking those to turn it down. No, the hashtag Igbo must go should continue. So Atiku, we don't want your empathy, even though we don't want those things. We Igbos are ready to go. Nigeria is not for Igbo. Igbos are Biafra. So Igbos should go. Thank you.